Assalamualaikum friends, here is new photo mockup bag. All file is 54 with preview file. That's mean here is total 26 or 27. Okay, property is 1.07 GB and these are protected. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. Here is preview. You can import your own photo and just press Ctrl S for this vector. Wow, painting. Okay, I know you can do just simple open PSD file, for example like this one. We need an image, click on layer, replace and need image. For example this one, drag there, enter, Ctrl S for saving, converting colors. Please wait. Close this and you see our effect is ready now, and apply this one, same here, and here is there. Image 1, image 2, I know you can do it. Press Ctrl S for saving, and same thing is here. Open an image, double click, we need image. Oh sorry, this one. Control S and you see and design is ready. All files here, you can just, here you need a PNG file, import your PNG and press Ctrl S for saving. I hope these are useful for you, and download this app for password lifetime. Take care, love, peace.